quite a bit. And so if everybody replied and told me how they're doing, it would be really hard for me to manage. But in the early days, I had that. And so every week I had a few people reply and just tell me what they were working on. And it was always a nice way to connect with readers of the newsletter. And in March 2020, we all know what happened. I started receiving replies from everyone saying, I'm stuck at home. I'm feeling anxious, disconnected, a bit depressed. My creativity and my productivity are completely gone. I'm just at home, really struggling to get any work done. And I'm frankly feeling a little bit lost. And so that was the beginning of the pandemic, and people didn't really know what to do with the lockdowns, being in front of their computer the entire day and not knowing what to do. So I thought maybe instead of just broadcasting information one way, where every week I send a newsletter, I could create a platform where there would be a multi-way connection between people where they can learn from each other. So not just learn from me, but support each other in their learning journey. And around the same time, I discovered this new community platform called Circle. And I thought, oh, I like trying new tools. So let's try it. I created the Ness Labs community using the Circle platform. And then I went into my newsletter in the dashboard, and I took the 300 most engaged people who had been opening every single newsletter for the past few months. And I sent them personalized emails saying, hey, I'm trying this thing. Do you want to join? And let's see what happens. I think almost all of them said yes and joined the community. And so that was the little seed of the first 300 people who joined the Ness Labs community. That first year was crazy because we were all stuck at home. So there were maybe 6 or 7 events happening every day in the Ness Labs community. And the reason why was because I was really encouraging people to learn in public. So I told them, if there's something you're curious about right now, don't wait until you feel like you're an expert. Host a session, do a little workshop. Let's learn together. And we had a bunch of virtual online meetups where we would take a topic that we knew nothing about. And in the meeting, we would actually go and look up stuff and ask questions and learn together. And we had like a shared boards where everybody was creating a mind map together. It was amazing and completely unsustainable. The only reason why it was so active was because we were all stuck in front of our computers. As soon as the lockdowns were over, the activity started going down. And we had a transition phase where I had to figure out what is the future of the Ness Labs community in a world where, fortunately, people have a life outside of being stuck at home in front of their laptop. And it took me a little while to figure out, but now in the new iteration of the Ness Labs community, it's very focused on experimentation. So we have a section where people can share their tiny experiments, their results. Everybody is supporting each other. And every month we have sessions where we start experiments together. We have co-working sessions. We have writing, reflection. So it's very centered on personal experimentation now.